that Philly Bonta shit. Yeah. I'm on the east side rolling with my west side niggas. West side, west side, west side. We just tryna do it big like that best side nigga. Best side, best side, best side. And the fat looking pretty, they don't catch my nigga. I pray they don't catch my nigga. Might pull up on the corner like that's my nigga. And burn this bitch down like that's my nigga.
I'm a 400 nigga with the 40 pound dope. Ball of ammo, I got 40 rounds dope. Cash out key, the nigga with the pounds dope. You count on me even when it moves slow. Come through copper with all my niggas. Come through copper with all my niggas. You should've seen how we looked last winter. You should've seen when we ate last dinner. I don't fuck with them Hollywood niggas. I don't fuck with them Hollywood niggas. Basic bitches can't suck, stick, no. Basic bitches have to fuck, click. I'ma do it my way, nigga, fuck the script.
Came through the block, everything that's new. Sippin' that motherfucking DS2. I can't fuck with him if he ain't true. They like, he alright, but he ain't you. We like 5 million on the board and shit. I was the richer nigga on the tip. Locked down with the killers and the robbers going hard in it. Open the gate, jump on the lift, and then we headed to the west side. Rolling in some hot shit. Y'all been in a Pepsi. It look like a box stick. You ain't got to ask me. Nigga, you ain't got shit. You ain't talking money, I see you this with the topic. You be only fucking with niggas that be on cop shit. I be only fucking with bitches that get it poppin'. You don't wanna see one of my niggas facing a stocking. Spray up your corner over some nonsense. I'm on the east side, rolling with my west side niggas. West side, west side, west side. We just tryna do it big like that best side nigga. Best side, best side, best side. And the fat looking pretty, they don't catch my nigga. I pray they don't catch my nigga. Might pull up on the corner like that's my nigga. And burn this bitch down like left eye.
Can a real crib get a little bit? Dump on a nigga for some silly shit. 104 rounds when the millie can't. Gang bang niggas who we really with. And we don't talk to no motherfucking law. Cooked up, caked up, swinging that block. Nigga, roll through the city, gun fighters, son. Banging with the loud of the silencer. Leave him on the floor with his brain spilled out. Tanners, scanners, bananas peeled out. Back to the set, no sweat, ducked off. Come through the hood and you will get fucked off. Nigga, this crip on mine 2 times. Don't give a fucking we'll bust on 1 time. Nigga, what y'all thought? We crissed across, you missed your loss for setting it off.
I'm on the east side rolling with my west side niggas. West side, west side, west side. We just tryna do it big like that best side nigga. Best side, best side, best side. And the fat looking pretty, they don't catch my nigga. I pray they don't catch my nigga. Might pull up on the corner like that's my nigga. And burn this bitch down like left eye nigga. Word up.
Hey! Nagrywasz to? Dobrze, fotoreporter.